राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। शिवानन्दलहर्याः कक्ष्यायां सर्वेषां स्वागतं, सुप्रभातम्. A very good morning to all of you and good evening to those joining us from time zones where it is evening now. So welcome to session 7 of Learn to Chant Shivananda Lahari. So today, like I announced in the previous class, we will have only revision. That is, I will give you all an opportunity to chant. Please raise your hand. I will see as many as we can cover in the next 1 hour. And we will see whoever is able to chant the verses. Then you can chant. And we will also try to cover as many as possible. So I will begin with Guru Vandanam as usual. I will chant the first few shlokas, the dhyana shlokas. Then I will start calling out the names. There were some children who have joined, so whose parents requested me if they can chant. If so, please send me in Q&A or in chat, wherever possible, that your child has joined. And I will unmute them. Also, please indicate if it is a child joining. So I thought I will give them an opportunity first, and then we will move to the adults. So let us begin. Gururev gatirgurumev bhaje Gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave Na guro paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guru श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करल्लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजायते नमः शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकन्नित्यं श्रीनृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्री सच्चिदानंद शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंह भारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधिं मन्त्रनिधिं सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानवशम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखम् नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखर भारतीं विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारती पदभूषणं भारती पदमारूढं भारती तीर्थमाश्रये भारती तीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि विद्या विनय संपन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदांत तत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखर भारतीम् Okay, I will start calling out the names. Madhushri.
Namaste, Mahudi.
Just a second, I will just complete the other two shlokas also. Ananta guna sampannam anantabhidhaya shrutam ananta jnana datrintam mataram pranumo vayam gairvanya संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्य संयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणीम्. Madhushri, if you want, you could please accept and you could share your video. You will get you would have got a pop-up there.
I got a pop-up as join as panelist or join as attendee.
Yes, you can accept join as panelist, then you'll get the video.
Oh, 1 second, could you please
Yes, no problem. No problem.
I clicked as attendee. The video is not coming, but it's okay. Shall we start then?
Your video is not okay, no problem. You can.
Palavyam bhakteshu prakatita palavya bhavatu me shivavyam astoka tribhuvana shivavyam sudipunar bhavavyam anandaspuradhanubhavavyam natiriyam.
Uttamam. Next shloka. Also, you know Madhushri?
Yes, Mahodaya. Sollu. It's okay. Sollu, சீக்கிரம்.
Galanti.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Galanti Shambhu Tvacharita Sarita Kilbisharajo Galanti Brikulya Saranishu Patantri Vijayatam Dashanti Samsara Vamana Paritam Upashamanam Pasanti Macheto Pradabhavi Shivanandalahari.
Uttamam Madhushri. Very good. Very well chanted. Any other shloka you want to chant?
No, she is learning 3 and 4.
Okay, no problem. Madhushri is a 5-year-old child who is learning the shlokas. Uttamam Madhushri. Very good. Okay. Next is Shri Vidya here. Shri Vidya, the small girl, Shri Vidya, the 6-year-old girl who wanted to chant. Shri Vidya's mother or grandmother, if anyone, if you are here, can you please send me in the Q&A in what name you have joined so that I can unmute you? Okay. Shri Vidya. There are multiple Shri Vidyas here. I hope I have unmuted the right person. Shri Vidya? Shri Vidya will, Uttamam. Yes. Shri Vidya, will you chant 3 and 4? 3, 4, 5 you can chant. Trayi Vedyam you chant.
त्रयीवेद्यं हृद्यं त्रिपुरहरमाद्यं त्रिनयनं जटाभारोदारं चलदुरगहारं मृगधरं महादेवं देवं मयि सदय भावं पशुपतिं चिदालम्बं साम्बं शिवमतिविडम्बं हृदि भजे सहस्रौ वर्तन्ते जगति विबुधाः क्षुद्रफलदाः न मन्ये स्वप्ने वा तदनुसरणं तत्कृतफलम् हरिब्रह्मादीनामपि निकटभाजामसुलभं चिरय्याचे शम्भो शिव तव पदाम्भोजभजनम् स्मृतौ शास्त्रे वैद्ये शकुनकविता गानफणितौ पुराणे मन्त्रे वा स्तुतिनटनहास्येष्वचतुरः कथं राज्ञां प्रीतिर्भवति मयि कोऽहं पशुपते पशुं मां सर्वज्ञप्रथितकृपया पालय विभो
Sixth one you'll chant, Sri
She
Vidya.
has learned up to 10. She can chant if she.
Okay, chant.
घटो वा मृत्पिण्डोऽप्यणुरपि च धूमोऽग्निरचलः पटो वा तन्तुर्वा परिहरति किंहोरशमनम् वृथा कण्ठक्षोभौ वहसि तरसा तत्कवचसा पदाम्भोजं शम्भोः भज परमसौख्यौ व्रजसुधीः
Uttamam, very good.
You can continue if you are.
Continue if you want.
मनस्ते पादाब्जे निवसतो वचस्तोत्रफणितौ करौ चाभ्यर्चायां
There can you say Chabhyarchayam Mahaprana? Chabhyarchayam.
करौ चाभ्यर्चायां श्रुतिरपि कथा कर्णनविधौ तव ध्याने बुद्धिः नयनयुगलं मूर्तिविभवे परग्रन्थान् कैर्वा परमशिव जाने परमतः यथा बुद्धिः शुक्तौ रजतमिति काचाश्मनिमणिः जले पैष्टे क्षीरं भवति मृगतृष्णासु सलिलम् तथा देवभ्रान्त्या भजति भवदन्यं जडजनः महादेवेशं त्वां मनसि जनमत्वा पशुपते गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोरपिपीने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समर्प्यैकञ्चेतः सरसिजमुमानाथ भवते सुखेन वस्थातुं जनैः न जानाति किमहो नरत्वं देवत्वं न गवनमृगत्वं मशकता पशुत्वं कीटत्वं भवतु विहगत्वादिजननम् सदा त्वत्पादाब्जस्मरण परमानन्दलहरी विहारासक्तं चेत् हृदयमिह किं तेन वपुषा
Uttamam, very good, Sri Vidya. Very well chanted. Sri Vidya is 6-year-old, not yet 6, I think 5.5. She is memorized all 700 verses of Gita, and she has taken the assessment also. She has done the Samarpanam in Sringeri before Jagat Guravaha, and now she is attending this Shivananda Lahari. And as we Complete the verses. She is learning them every week. Uttamam Shri Vidye. Keep it up. Very well done.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram, Ram, Ram. And also, we should appreciate her grandmother and her parents for all the encouragement and for teaching her. Ram, 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 Shri Vidye. Continue learning, okay? Very good. Yes, very good. Thank you. Ram, Ram. Now, will you chant, Mahati? Will you chant? Okay, Mahati is a 4-year-old. She wants to chant the first verse. Kalabhyam.
Kalabhyam Chudalankrita Shashikalabhyam Nidatapa Palabhyam Bhakteshu Prakatita Palabhyam Bhavatu Me
Shivabhyam.
Shivabhyam Astokatribhuvana Shivabhyam Hidi Punarbhavabhyam Vanandas Pudadanubhavabhyam Natidiyam.
Okay, Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Mahati. Ram, Ram, Ram. So, all of you, please encourage your children to start learning. It's okay if they can't read the script, but just by listening multiple times, okay, they will be able to chant well. So please, at that age, they'll be able to grasp and also memorize well. So request all of you to please encourage your children, grandchildren at home to start learning. Now we will go to verse 2. I will start calling out the names. Padma Bhagini, please unmute as I call out your name.
Hari Ram
Hari
Ram
Om Bhagini. Others, please stay on mute. Yes, Bhagini.
Ram. Galanti Shambhotpacharita Saritah Kilbisharajo Dalanti Dhikulya Saranishu Patanti Vijayatam Dishanti Samsara Brahmana Paritapopashamanam Vasanti Macheto Hradabhu Vishivanandalahari.
Uttamam Bhagini. Bha Mahaprana should be clearer. And also, if possible, please don't pause after Macheto. Macheto Hrada Bhuvi. And that
Okay.
Bha there. Dhanyavadaha. Bhagini.
Okay, thank you.
Uttamam. Okay.
Ram, ma'am, you're on mute.
Yeah, I was not calling out. I was just trying to see who to call next. Aditya Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Trivyividyam hrityam tripuraharadhyam trinayanam.
Tatra Tripura Hara Madhyam. It is not Madhyam. It is Alpaprana.
Tripuraharadhyam trinayanam. Jadabharodaram chaladuragarharam mridadaram Mahadev
Ekadharam Dha Mahaprana.
Brihadharam Mahadevam Devam Mayi Sadhaya Bhavam Pashupatim Sithalampam Sambham Shivamati Vidam Hridi Bhaje.
Shivamati Vidambam. Once again.
Shivamati Vidambam Hridi Bhaje.
Uttamam. Bha Mahaprana can be clearer. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. Okay. Padma Narayan Bhagini. I think there are 2 Padma Bhaginis. Padma Narayan Bhagini.
Can you hear?
haven't chanted, right, Bhagini?
No.
Okay, okay. Because there was another Padma.
Yeah, I heard that.
Okay.
Sahasram vartante jagati vibudhaha shudrapaladaha na manye swapne va tadanusaranam tatkrita phalam hari brahmadinam api nikata bhajam masulabham
Nikata-bhajama-sulabham.
निकटभाजामसुलभं चिरैयाचे शम्भो शिव तव पदाम्भोज भजनम्
Uttamam Bhagini. I also liked the way you yourself corrected Jagati. It sounded slightly like the initially,
Right,
but you
right.
corrected yourself and made it Jagati. Uttamam.
Thank you, thank you.
Very well chanted. Okay. Next, Smita, sorry, Anita PN. Anita PN Bhagini. Also, another request, whoever has chanted, please lower your hands, because for me, I keep seeing the same names and I have to scroll down and I have to see if you have chanted or not. So if you lower your hands, I can only see the ones who have not chanted yet. Thank you. Anita Bhagini.
स्मृतौ शास्त्रे वैद्ये शकुनकविता घाणफणितौ पुरा Hello?
Yeah, Gana. Ga is Alpa Prana.
Okay. स्मृतौ शास्त्रे वैद्ये शकुनकविता गानफणितौ पुराणे मन्त्रे वा स्तुतिनटनहास्येष्व चतुरः कथं राज्ञां प्रीतिः भवति मयि कोऽहं पशुपते पशु मां सर्वज्ञ प्रथित कृपया पालय विभो.
Okay, Bhagini, could you chant this again? This word here.
Which one?
Purane.
This one went off.
It's on the screen, the second line.
Okay. Purane mantre va.
First time I heard it as na, so I just wanted to be clear. Purane na, and then these two words here, I hope you are able to see my screen. Ragnyam and Sarvagnya. The pronunciation is Ragnyam, Gnya, like Jnanam. Okay, that is Ja and Nya together. Ja and Na. So it should not be heard as Gna. So there is a different, when you say Agnihi, right? This is the Gna there. This is Gna, Ga and Na. Okay, that is different from this. This is Ragnyam and Sarvagnya. Can you just read those two words only for me?
Ragnyam.
Once again?
Ragnyam.
Yes, and then?
Sarvagnya.
Sarvagnya. Okay, please listen to the recording, Bhagini, and please note, especially this Gnya pronunciation, please note and you can practice accordingly. You are almost there. The second time you almost correct, but little bit more practice. Dhanyavada. Okay. Manikantanji. Manikandan Mahodaya.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Can I?
Yes, Bhagini. Your name, please?
My name is Amuda, madam.
Amuda ji. Yes, please chant Amuda, Bhagini.
Sixth one, madam.
Yes, Ghatova.
Ghatova mritpindopyanurapi cha dhumognirachalah pato va tanturva pariharati kim ghora shamanam vritha kandakshobham vahasi tarasa tarkavachasa padambhojam shambhoho भज परम सौख्यं ब्रज सुधीः
Vraja, Vraja,
व्रजसुधीः पदाम्भोजं शम्भोः भज परमसौख्यं व्रजसुधीः.
Your Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini. Bhaja, Parama Saukhyam Vraja. That please try to do that Sandhi also. Saukhyam Vraja, Sudhihi, Dha Mahaprana. Also, Ghatova. Could you just the first word? Could you chant?
Ghatova.
The first time the Mahaprana was heard to the Tha also. It should be only to Gha.
Ghatova. Ghatova.
Yes. And Mahapranas, please pay attention everywhere.
Okay. Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha, Muda.
Dhanyavada.
Okay. MBL Madhubala Bhagini.
ma'am. Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, namaste.
Manaste padabje nivasatu vachastotra phanitau karau chabhyarchayam shrutirapi katha karnana vidhau tavadhyane buddhihi nayanayugalam murti vibhave Paragrandhan kairva Paramashiva jane paramataha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Sheila Tirugyanam ji.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. Vadatu.
Yatha buddhi shuktau rajatamithi kachashmani manihi jale paishte kshiram bhavadi mrigadrishna susalilam tada deva bhrantya तथा देव भ्रान्त्या भजति भवदन्यन् जडजनः महादेवेशं त्वां मनसि क्षणमत्वा पशुपते.
Manasi cha na. It's not na, it is na.
मनसि क्षणमत्वा पशुपते.
Yes. Bhavati. Could you chant that word?
Bhavati.
Uttamam. Yes. So the na and na difference and the Mahapranas Bhavati. So some places it wasn't clear. So please pay attention to that. Tatha. Please note the pronunciation of that. Ta and tha. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well done. Yes. Well done. Next, can we have Uma Devi Bhagini?
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोर विपिने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समर्प्यैकं चेतः सरसि जमुनाथ भवते सुखेनावस्थातुं जनैः न जानाति किमहो.
Uttamam Bhagini, very well chanted, both the tune and the pronunciation. Well done.
Dhanyawad.
Kalyan Srinivas ji, those who have already finished chanting, please lower your hands.
Namaskaram, madam.
Namaste. Namaskara.
Naratvam devatvam nagavana mrugatvam ashakata pashutvam kitatvam bhavatu vihagatva dijananam sada पादाब्जस्मरण परमानन्दलहरी विहारासक्तं चेत् हृदयमिह किन्तेन वपुषा
Vapusha, sha, could you pronounce that?
वपुषा
Slightly. So, mashakata, there it is sha. Here, vapusha, sha. Murdhani.
हृदयमिह किन्तेन वपुषा
Okay. Uttamam. I think you can note the slight difference in pronunciation here. Mashakata, shivatava, sha. Here, vapusha, sha. Like ta, ta, dha, dha, na. How the tongue twists. Similarly, vapusha. The slight nuance, all of us need to practice this while differentiating between sha and sha. Well done, Mahodaya. Dhanyavada. Okay, next, Jayanti ji, in case I call out your name twice, please let me know, because let us give as many as possible a chance to chant. Jayanti ji.
Namaskaram Guruji.
Namaste.
कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्याम् आनन्द स्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिरियम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Here, Shashikalabhyam. Could you chant that again? The first line.
कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः
There, if you are pausing there, you must chant the Anuswara completely as Shashikalabhyam Nijatapaphalabhyam. But if you choose to combine, then you should combine the Sandhi. Shashikalabhyam Nijatapaphalabhyam. This is a common observation for all of you. If you are combining the Sandhi there, please don't pause or take a breath there. If you want to take a breath, I understand it's a big line and the shloka, especially first shloka, lot of Mahapranas, the first verse. If you want to pause there to take a breath, you should chant it as Shashikalabhyam completely. Sandhi, if you combine as Shashikalabhyan Nijatapav, then we should not pause there. Is this,
Okay, ma'am.
You understood this, Bhagini? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha, well chanted. So this is a general rule, all of you. Please remember, if you want to combine or you want to chant splitting the Sandhi. Okay, next, Dr. V. Sujata Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Ram.
Galanti Shambho Tvatcharita Sarita Kilbisharajaha Dalanti Dhikulya Saranishu Patanti Vijayatam.
Here you should not pause after Dhikulya. Dhikulya Saranishu.
Dalanti Dhikulya Saranishu Patanti.
Saranishu. Na. Saranishu.
I will read from the beginning.
Okay.
Galanti Shambho Tvatcharita Sarita Kilbisharajaha Dalanti Dhikulya Saranishu Patanti Vijayatam Dishanti Samsara Brahmana Paritapopashamanam Vasanti Cheto Hradi Bhuvi Shivanandalahari.
Okay, here it is Macheto Hrada Bhuvi. It is not Hridi Bhuvi. And no pausing there. Macheto Hrada Bhuvi. Once again, Bhagini, only that bit.
Macheto Hrada Bhuvi.
Uttamam. And also Shu. kilbisharajah dhikulya saranishu. That sh, like I said, I think in one of the previous verses also I said, so that sh pronunciation should be clearer.
Okay, thank you.
Dhanyavadaha bhagini. Vasanta bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Shall I chant? Yeah.
Yes, yes, third one.
Yeah. Traivetyam hrityam Tripuraharamatyan Trinayanam Jatabharodaram Chaladuragaharam Mrugadharam Mrugadharam
Yes.
Mahadevan Devam Mayi Sadaya Bhavam Pashupatim Chidalamvam Sambam Shivamati Vidambam Hrudi Bhaje.
Pashupatim, just that word.
Pashupatim.
Yes, just wanted to listen to that sh pronunciation.
Yeah, ma'am, it's not sh, it is sh. I understood.
Yes. Uttamam, Uttamam. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Sitaraman S. Mahodaya.
Namaste, Modi.
Namaste.
Sahasrau vartante jagati vibhutaha kshutra phalataha namanye swapne va tadanusaranam tatkrita phalam hari brahmadinamapi nikata bhajama sulabham chirayache shambho shivatava padam bhoja bhajanam.
Uttamam, Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chant. Saumini Ramakrishnan ji.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Smritau Shastre Vaidye Shakuna Kavita Gana Bhanitau Purane Mantre Va Sputi Stuti Nadana Hasyeshva Chaturaham Katham Rajnyam Pritihi Bhavati Mayi Koham Pashupate Pashum Mam Sarvajnya Pradhita Kripaya Palaya Vibho.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. I understand that, it's a little hard to tell Mahapranas with the breath control. But if you are chanting aloud with practice, you can definitely do it. So, Prathita. So, there the Mahaprana, if it is more clear, it would be better. I know you chanted it. And like I said, it's a little hard with, the line is also not a small one. And Katham, so just the Mahapranas.
Katham, okay.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Well done.
Thank you.
Manoj Swaminathan ji.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Grato va mritpindopyanurapi cha dhumogniratchalaha pato va tanturva pariharati kim ghora shamanam vrita kantaksho
Mahaprana Vritha.
Vritha kantakshobham vahasi tarasa tarkavachasa padam bhojam shambho bhaja paramasaukyam vrajasudhi.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Two Mahapranas could be clearer. Vritha and Kantha, that tha.
Okay, thanks.
Dhanyavadaha. Well done. Lakshmi Devi Charan Bhagini.
Namaste. Bhagini.
Namaste.
मनस्ते पादाब्जे निवसतु वचस्तोत्र भणितौ करौ चाभ्यर्चायां श्रुतिरपि कथा कर्णनविधौ तव ध्याने बुद्धिः नयनयुगलं मूर्तिविभवे परग्रन्थान् कैर्वा परमशिव जाने परमतः.
Tamam Bhagini, well chanted. Jyoti Singh ji.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Yatha buddhi shukto rajatam. Shuktau.
Not shu. I mean, slightly dirgha was heard. Shuktau.
Okay. Yatha buddhi shuktau rajatamiti kasha mani manihi.
Kashashmani manihi.
Rajatamiti kasha mani manihi.
Bhagini, it is kachashmani. Could you just tell that word?
Yeah, I'll do that. Kachashmani. Kachashamani.
Kachashmani. If you listen to the recording, you'll be able to.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes.
Kachashmani manihi jale paishte shiram bhavati mrugatrushnasu salilam tatha deva bhrantya bhajati bhavadanyam jadajanaha mahadevesham tvam manasi cha namatva pashupate.
Manasi chanamatva.
Manasi chanamatva. Manasi chanamatva pashupate.
Uttamam Bhagini. Manihi. Dana should be clearer. Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. Yes, I'll practice.
Yeah. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Rajgopal Ramanathan ji.
श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय, वदतु.
नमस्कारः.
नमस्ते.
गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोरविपिने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समप्यैर्कञ्चेत्.
Just a second. Samarpyaikam.
समर्प्यैकञ्चेतः सरसिजमुमानाथ भवते सुखेनावस्थातुं जन इह न जानाति किमहो.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Samarpyaikam. Okay, dhanyawad.
Samarpyaikam.
Yes, Uttamam. Any doubts? You all have the recordings available to you on the course page and on YouTube. I think even the audio is uploaded on the course page. So even if not video, audio also, you can listen to it and get your doubts cleared. Jayanti Vaidya ji. Jayanti Bhagini. Yes, please chant. Ram. Hari Om.
Yaratvan devatvam nagavanamrugatvam mashakata pashutvan chitadvam bhavatu vihagattvadijananam sada tatvat padabhyasmarana paramanandalahari.
Tatra, you know what happened? The dvitvams, if you don't chant, the chanting becomes difficult. Sada tvat padabhyasmarana paramanandalahari. So, dvitvam there. Tvat padabhyasmarana. Sada. Once again.
Sada tvat padabhyasmarana paramanandalahari.
Bhagini, you are chanting Tvat padabhyasmarana. It is Tvat padabhyasmarana.
Tvat padabhyasmarana. Is it okay, ma'am?
See. You are chanting correctly only, just that here, Tvat Padabjas Smarana, that extra sa is heard. Padabjas Smarana. So extra sa, though it is not written, that extra sa, that is called Dvitvam. You are chanting Tvat Padabjas Smarana. So the with Dvitvam, it is Tvat Padabjas Smarana. Extra s there.
Sada Tvat Padabjasmarana Paramanandalahari Vihara Saktam Chet Hridayamiha Kintena Vapusha.
Please listen to the recording, Jayanti Bhagini. That Dvitvam you should get it clearer. Sadatvat Padabjasmarana Paramanandalahari Vihara.
Sir should be heard, madam.
Two sirs should be heard.
Okay.
Dvitvam means
Padabjasmarana.
Padabjasmarana. Yes.
Padabjasmarana.
The two sirs should be heard. That is only Dvitvam.
Okay. Okay. Hari Om, ma'am.
Hari Om Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Someone wanted to chant the first two verses. Just sorry, I'll just find. Someone has sent me a message. They want to chant the first two verses. I'm trying to find that. Okay, Jayaramanji. You can chant the first verse, please. Jayaraman Mahodaya. Please unmute Jayaraman Mahodaya.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Kalabhyam Chudalankruda Shashikalabhyam Nijatabak Palabhyam Bhakteshu Prakatita Palabhyam Bhavatu Me Shivabhyam Astoga Tribhuvana Shivabhyam Ridhipunat Bhavabhyam Anantaspuradhanu Bhavapyam Natiriyam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. The Mahapranas can be clearer. Apart from that, here your Dvitvam Nijatapa Phalabhyam Bhakteshu Prakatita Phalabhyam. So here Bhakteshu Prakatita. There is a Dvitvam. That should be clearer.
Bhakteshu Prakatita.
Bhakteshu Prakatita. You are chanting Bhakteshu Prakatita. It should be Bhakteshu Prakatita.
Bhakteshu Prakatita Palabhyam Bhavatu Me.
Please listen to the recording, all of you, to Dvitvams. The very first class and the second class we learnt this verse where I have explained the Dvitvams while teaching. So all of you please listen to that, the teaching video. And next line also, Shivabhyam Asto Katribhuvana Shivabhyam. There also we have Dvitvams Mahodaya. So please pay attention, but very well done. Dhanyavadaha, well chanted. Dvitvam adds beauty to the chanting. It's a very important aspect of chanting in Sanskritam. So all of you please do that. I will also share a YouTube video where the concept of Dvitvam is explained by Dr. Soumya Krishnapur Bhagini. So I will share it on the group and I will also ask them to put it up on the course page. Rajesh Mahodaya. Rajesh ji, I can't hear you. Unable to hear you, Rajesh ji. Okay, we will try after some time. Kamala Shankar Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Kalanti Shambho Tvacharita Sarita Kilbisharajah Dalanti Dhi Kulya Sarani Shupatanti Vijayatam दिशन्ति संसारभ्रमणपरितापोपशमनं वसन्ति मच्छेतो ह्रदभुवि शिवानन्दलहरी.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Shrivalli Padmaja Bhagini. Shrivalli
Namaste,
Bhagini.
ma'am.
Namaste. Third one.
त्रयीवेद्यं हृद्यं त्रिपुरहरमाद्यं त्रिनयनं जटाभारोदारं चलदुरगहारं मृगधरं महादेवं देवं मयि सदय भावं पशुपतिं चिदालम्बं साम्बं शिवमतिविडम्बं हृदि भजे.
Shivamati. Just that word.
शिवमतिविडम्बं हृदि भजे.
Uttamam Bhagini. Uttamam. I just wanted to listen to that Sh pronunciation. Next, Mahesh Mahodaya. Mahesh Bemula Mahodaya. Those who have chanted, please lower your hands. We have many who wish to chant. We'll see how many ever I can do, I will do. Otherwise, we will do in the next chanting session. Mahesh Mahodaya.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Sahasram vartante jagati vibudah shudra faladaha.
Jagati Vibudhaha. The Visarga should be chanted completely before Ksha.
Got it. Jagati vibudaha kshudra faladaha.
Mahodaya, sorry, 1 minute. Jagati Vibudhaha. Dha is Mahaprana there. And it is not Shudra, it is Kshudra Phaladaha. Kshu, Ka and Sh. Kshudra and not Kshu. It is not a Dirgha. Kshudra Phaladaha. Could you chant that? Vibudhaha.
Vibudaha kshudra faladaha.
And also, sorry, I'm sorry, it is not Fa, it is Pa. There is no Fa in Sanskritam. I think we discussed this before. In Hindi, you call it Phal. In Sanskritam, it is Phala, Phalam. So, Jagati Vibudhaha Kshudra Phaladaha. Once again, please.
Jagati vibudaha kshudra phaladaha.
Much better.
Namanye swapne va tadanusaranam tatkruta phalam. Hari brahmadinam api nikata bhajama sulabham. Chiramyache shambho shiva tava padam bhoja bhajanam.
Uttamam. Tatra Chirayyache shambho bha Mahaprana. Shiva tava padam bhoja bhajanam. The Mahapranas should be clearer. The first line, please practice. Jagati vibudhaha kshudra phaladaha. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next, Meenakshi Lalita Bhagini.
Ram. Smrito shastre vaidhye shakunakanita gana phanito purane.
Once again, Shakuna Kavita
Gana Phanito.
Tatra Phani Bhagini, your Gana and Phani, the Nas are sounding similar. It is Kavita Gana Phanitauna.
Phanito.
Still you have to improve that Na Bhagini. There is you're chanting Phanitau. It is Phanitauna. The tongue should twist and hit the roof of the mouth. Yeah.
No.
Phanitau.
Panitau.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Purane
Same
mantre
thing here
va.
also. Purane.
Purane mantre va. Stuti natana hasyeshva chaturah. Katham rajñam pritihi bhavati.
Rajnyam, not Rajnyam. Rajnyam.
Katham rajñam pritihi bhavati mayi koham pashupate pashum mam sarvajña prachita kripaya palaya vibho.
Uttamam Bhagini. Please pay attention to the na. That should be
Na.
clear. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Rama Bhagini. Rama Bhagini.
Ram.
Ha, Ram.
Ghato va mritpindophyanurapi cha dhumognirachalah pato va tanturva pariharati kim ghora shamanam vritha kantakshobham vahasi
Kantha Mahaprana.
kantakshobham vahasi tarasa tarkavachasa padam bhojam shambhor bhaja paramasaukyam vrajasudihi.
Dhihi Mahaprana.
Vrajasudihi.
Yes. Last line again.
Padam bhojam shambho bhaja paramasaukyam vrajasudihi.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. Next, Sita Raman Mahodaya. In case you've already chanted, please let me know. Sita Ramanji.
Chanted Modi.
This is Chandramauli Mahodaya, is it?
No, Sitaraman.
Ha, Sita Ramanji, please chant.
No, chanted already.
You chanted already. Oh, okay. Please lower your hand, those who have chanted. Rita Udaya Kumar Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Manaste padabje nivasatu vajas sotra phanitau karau chabhyarcharyam.
Karau chabhyarchayam. Not chabhyarchayam. Karau chabhyarchayam.
Chutirapi katha karnana vidhau tavadhyane buddhihi nayana yugalam.
Mahaprana.
Tavadhyane buddhihi nayana yugalam murti vibhave paragrandhan kairva paramashiva jane paramataha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well done. Those who have chanted, please lower your hands. We don't have much time. We've run out of time. I'll just try to take a few more. Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini.
Namaste.
Okay. Not chanted, right, today?
Yeah, not chanted.
Okay.
Yatha jale paise thiram bhavati brija krishna susalilam tatha deva bhrantya bhajati bhavadanyam jada janah mahadevesham tvam manasi chadamatva pasupate.
Bhagini, I couldn't hear the first line. There was some disturbance. Could you please repeat it? Yatha. I think it is okay, Bhagini. There's some disturbance. not able to hear clearly. Kachashmani Manihi. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Mani jale paishte
I think that's okay, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Thank you. I heard the rest of the verse. Gauri Ravi Bhagini. Gauri Ravi ji, Gabhire Kasare.
गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोर विपने
Vipine, not Vipane, Vipine.
घोर विपिने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थ जडमतिः
कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः.
कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समर्प्यैकं चेतस्तरसि सरसि जमुमानाथ भवते सुखेनावस्थातुं
Sukhena, that is one word. You cannot chant it as vasthatum.
सुखेनावस्थातुं जन इह न जानाति किमहो.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Okay, Vishalakshi Kannan Bhagini. Please chant Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste, namaste. Please chant.
Naratvam devatvam nagavana mrigatvam ashakata pashutvam kitatvam bhavatu bihagattvadi jananam sadatvatpadabjasmarana paramananda lahari vihara saktanchet hridayamiha kintena vapusha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted.
Thank you.
There are many who have raised your hands. We'll not be able to take all of them. Sorry, we'll just maybe a few more, 3-4 minutes more we'll do. Deepa Mahadevanji. In case you have chanted, please let me know because some of you have kept your hands raised.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृतशशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोक त्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिरियम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just the breath control you could practice more. Hridi punarbhavabhyam anandaspuradhanubhavabhyam.
Dhanyavada.
Well chanted. Next, Nims Baluji. Your name is, it's shown as Nims Baluji.
Ram Bhagini, it's actually Nirmala, but people
Okay, Nirmala ji. Yes, please chant. Galanti.
Galanti Shambho Tvacharita Sarita Kilbisharajo Dalanti Bhikulya Saranishu Patanti Vijayatam Dishanti Samsara Brahmana Paritapopashamanam Vasanti Macheto Hradabhuvi Shivanandalahari.
Bhagini, Mache to Hrada Bhuvi. We should not split there. Mache to Hrada Bhuvi. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Okay. Lalita Muttuswami Bhagini, have you chanted?
No.
Okay, please chant.
Yeah. Namaste.
Namaste.
त्रैवेद्यं हृद्यं त्रिपुरहरमाद्यं त्रिनयनं जटाभारोदारं चलतुरकहारं मृगधरं महादेवं देवं मयि सदय भावं पशुपतिं चितालम्बं शाम्बं शिवं
Chidalambam. There is no Mahaprana there. Chidalambam.
शीतालम्बं
You are chanting
साम्बं
Chidha. It is Chidalambam.
शीतालम्बं शाम्बं
The
साम्बं
is not Mahaprana Bhagini. You are chanting Mahaprana. It is Alpa Prana. You are chanting Chidha. It is Chida.
चितालम्बं शाम्बं शिवमदिविडम्बं हृदि भजे
Uttamam. Also Shiva Mati Vidambam, not Dhambam. Shiva
Okay.
Mati Vidambam.
शिवमदिविडम्बं हृदि भजे. Okay.
Bha is Mahaprana. Bha. There is
Okay.
no Mahaprana. We shouldn't chant it as Mahaprana.
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Okay. Next, Ratna Bhagini.
सहस्रौ वर्तन्ते जगति विबुधाः क्षुद्रफलदाः न मन्ये स्वप्ने वा तदनुसरणं तत्कृतफलं
Tatkritaphalam, not Kruta. Tatkritaphalam.
ओके तदनुसरणं तत्कृतफलं हरिब्रह्मादीनामपि निकटभाजा सुलभम्
Nikatabhajama-sulabham.
निकटभाजामसुलभम् चिरय्याचे शम्भो शिव तव पदाम्भोज भजनम्
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Rukmini Raghunathan Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी।
Namaste.
स्मृतौ शास्त्रे वैद्ये शकुनकविता गानफणितौ पुराणे मन्त्रे वा स्तुतिनटनहास्येष्वचतुरः कथं राज्ञां प्रीतिः
Rajñam.
कथं राज्ञां प्रीतिः भवति मयि कोऽहं पशुपते पशुं मां सर्वज्ञ प्रथितकृपया पालय विभो
Prathita. Thi is Mahaprana.
प्रथितकृपया पालय विभो
Uttamam Bhagini. Well chanted. Shrivalli Padmaja Bhagini, have you chanted already?
Yes, ma'am, I chanted.
Yeah, please lower your hand. Whoever is chanted, see, I'm not able to make out the others who are who have not chanted. Please lower your hand. V. Uma Maheshwari Bhagini. Uma Maheshwari Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste. You have not chanted, right?
No, I have not
Okay.
chanted.
Yeah, please chant.
घटो वा मृत्पिण्डोऽप्यनुरपि च धूमो
Pindopyanurapi cha.
घटो वा मृत्पिण्डोऽप्यनुरपि च धूमोऽग्निरचलः पटो वा तन्तुर्वा परिहरति किं घोरशमनम् वृथा कण्ठक्षोभम् वहसि तरसा तर्कवचसा पदाम्भोजं शम्भोः भज परमसौख्यं व्रजसुधीः
Uttamam Bhagini. Mrit Pindopyanurapi cha. That word, please practice listening to the recording. There are some slight changes there. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Sujata Muralidharan Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
मनस्ते पादाब्जे निवसतु वचस्तोत्रफणितौ करौ चाभ्यर्चायां श्रुतिरपि कथा कर्णनविधौ तव ध्याने बुद्धिः नयनयुगलं मूर्तिविभवे परग्रन्थान् कैर्वा परमशिव जाने परमतः.
Uttamam Bhagini, well chanted. Next, Usha Iyer Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
यथा बुद्धिशुक्तौ
बुद्धिशुक्तौ ध महाप्राण.
यथा बुद्धिशुक्तौ रजतमिति काचाशमणिमणिः
काचाश्मणिमणिः
काचाश्मणिमणिः
Manihi is not there. Manihi, not manihi. Manihi.
मणिः जले पैष्टे क्षीरं भवति मृगतृष्णासु सलिलं तथा देवभ्रान्त्या भजति भवदन्यं जडजनः महादेवेशं त्वां मनसि च न मत्वा पशुपते.
Tamam Bhagini. Yatha, while chanting, we should not chant it as yatha. There is no extra tha there. Yatha, Uttamam. Next, Dr. Bhramaramba ji. Dr. Bhramaramba Bhagini. Please unmute. Okay. Not getting, okay. Sumana Bhagini. Please unmute.
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram, yes.
गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोरविपिने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समर्प्यैकञ्चेतः सरसिजमुमानाथ भवते सुखेनावस्थातुं सुखेनावस्थातुं जन
सुख महाप्राण
सुखेनावस्थातुं इह जन इह न जानाति किमहो.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Bhramaramba Bhagini, next one.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Yada naratvam devatvam nagavanamrugatvam masakata. Masakata.
Sha, not sa. Mashakata.
Mashakata. पशुत्वं कीटत्वं भवतु विहतत्वादिजननं सदा त्वत्पादाब्जस्मरण परमानन्दलहरी विहारासक्तं चेत् हृदयमिह किन्तेन वपुषा.
Uttamam Bhagini. The sha, sa, please pay attention. Megan Mahodaya, first one, we will stop with the first one. Many of you have chanted, but I know many others are waiting. Maybe next time when we have. Sorry about that. Megan Mahodaya, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, hello, yes.
Hi.
Hi. You're joining from which?
California.
From, sorry?
California.
California.
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes,
Hey.
please chant the first one. Yes.
Kalabhyan Judalankrita Shashikalabhyan Nijatapaphalabhyam Bhakteshu Prakatita Phalabhyam Bhavatu Me
शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां प्रदीपुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिरियम्.
Uttamam, excellent. So you're studying Sanskrit?
Yes.
Wonderful. So I mean, how come your interest in chanting and Sanskrit?
I live in an ashram, and my guru encouraged to start learning Sanskrit.
Okay, wonderful. You chanted very well. Keep it up. And have you learned other stotras also? Any other?
I've learned, we study the Guru Gita and some other chants like the Shiva Manasa Puja, which you showed us last time.
Yes.
And some other Shankaracharya chants.
Oh, Shankaracharya chants. That's wonderful. Ashram in California, is it?
Yes.
Great. Really appreciate your interest to learn a language which is not native, right, to you, but still you're doing a great job.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Well done. There are other chanting courses also, Meghanji, in Vyoma. If you're interested, you can join. I mean, some are completed. You can still join and learn from the recordings.
Thank you.
Like the Gita and others. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so we will conclude. We are already 20 minutes. We've taken extra. Sorry about that. There were many who want to chant. Those who didn't chant, next time when we chant, I'll give you a chance. Let us conclude with Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you all so much for joining today and for chanting. Many of you have appreciated the children, Madhushri, Srividya and Mahati for chanting. So yes, so please all of you encourage children in your houses or whoever you know also to start learning. It is relatively simpler for them compared to adults because they grasp and memorize very soon. So let us all try to do that. And thank you all. It was wonderful listening to you. And thank you, Aditi, for being there. We will meet next Saturday and continue learning. Dhanyavadaha. Punar milamaha. Ram Ram Ram.